If someone has the access to the assets you don't want them to have the access to, there is a way to kind of revoke partially the access or completely, and let me show you how it's done. To do that, we need to go to business settings, then here when it's loaded we need to go to the people section, and if you're working with a partner, process is going to be similar, but I'm going to record an additional video to that topic. So here in the people section we need to select a person who needs to be removed. What I need to do to delete this person and remove their access to the account, so I can click on those three buttons, and then in case it's an invite, I can just cancel invite and then the person will disappear. Let me show you that. So yeah, just cancel invitation and boom, that person is gone. If we're gonna remove the access, revoke the access from the user that is already there, what we need to do, we should click on details, and here we'll see all the accesses this person has. We can just click on either manage, right, to select specific assets, and now let's say we want to remove access from that person. Yeah, we just click on the remove access, then click OK, and as you can see the account is no longer there. Or we can entirely remove the person. Oh, in this case they have created the portfolio, so we cannot remove them completely, but we can revoke all the accesses or do this for this user. Yeah, it turns out this one has created the business portfolio as well, which is weird, but yeah, anyways, the one who was not creating the portfolio, you'll just have the option to click this button, or if you don't have this option, you can just remove all the accesses so that the person has no options to view any of your assets. So yeah, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching this video. We have a lot of content on digital marketing, different guides, tips, everything you can find on our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, we'd be happy to assist you in the comments. And see you in the next one.